Bob Fowler here with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm showing you a 2018 Sea Ray 190 SPX sport boat. Of course, Sea Ray is the most awarded boat brand ever, and this 190 SPX is also the #1 selling 19-foot sport boat across the boating industry. It's got the great Mercury 150 4-stroke on the back, beautiful rally red hull color, the sport tower with bimini, the mooring covers, everything about the boat is just terrific. Now what I wanted to tell you about is that we have a $2,000 added incentive if the boat is sold prior to the fiscal end of our year, which is September the 30th. So you need to hurry and call me and get this boat. And I want to give you just a little tour of it really quickly, and to show you the kind of room on a 19-foot boat. You're going to be just absolutely blown away. You can seat 10 people in the boat, as you can see, beautifully laid out, and the woven infinity flooring, as well as, look at this, where the inboard outboard motor would normally be. You got this added storage, as well as the regular storage on this side. And then here in this seat you've got a built-in cooler, and below that compartment right there coming in, there's another carry-on cooler. So as you can see, Sea Ray builds a great boat, and this little 119 SPX is just a terrific boat. We've got great storage here as well, so you can see inside. So then again, this boat has all kinds of added options, including the Outboard 4-stroke 150, the charcoal and white upholstery, also the stainless steel upgrade, the mooring cover, the depth finder, battery on and off switch, the water sports tower, and of course the cockpit infinity flooring that I showed you. So give me a call. This is Bob Fowler again with MarineMax. Give me a call at 850-527-5645 and get this great 190 SPX. And I look forward to hearing from you. Let's rally around the red. Goodbye.